Hi, and welcome to the new section on credit scoring and risk-based pricing. In this section, we will delve into the primary concepts of credit scores, credit scoring, and risk-based pricing, with a focus on constructing credit scoring systems using machine learning models. Throughout this section, we'll be referring to lenders and borrowers. Lenders are institutions or individuals that provide loans. They assess a borrower's creditworthiness using factors like credit scores, income, and debt to decide whether to approve a loan. Some common examples include banks, credit unions, online lenders, mortgage companies, and peer-to-peer lending platforms. Borrowers are individuals or entities that seek financial assistance from lenders. They use loan funds for various purposes, such as buying a car, financing a home, or starting a business. Some examples of borrowers include consumers applying for credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, or personal loans, students taking out students' loans, and businesses seeking loans for expansion or operations. This lecture is part of my new Udemy course. To access the entire course for free, use the link provided. Please note, this offer is limited to the first 100 students. Use the coupon code SCORING100 or click the link in the description. If this code isn't valid anymore, you'll find an updated code in the video description. In this final slide of the section, I would like to acknowledge the source of the visual elements I use in this course. All vector illustrations were downloaded freely from FreePic, a popular image bank website.